Why you are eating pan like this when you know how to make laddu like this and eat? Hi, hello, namaste, welcome to the Gullos in the kitchen. Today now I am making one of the craziest recipe with the help of betel leaf or pan leaf. It has lots of nutrition values, vitamins and calcium for bones. Daily one leaf is enough to eat for healthy body. Let's check the recipe how I am making betel leaves or pan leaves. For medium size is enough. Dry coconut powder 1 cup, sugar half cup, milk 4 tablespoons, cherries make into fine chop for garnish on top. This is the recipe for pan laddu. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Take 4 small medium pans. Cut into chiffonite. Fold it like this. For small, medium is enough. Make into a fine paste. Add milk 4 tablespoons and grind it. Make the paste. Next, take the kadai and pour coconut. Mix the sugar. Betel leaf. Make into paste and add. Mix it nicely. Then switch on the flame. On low flame, cook it for 10 minutes, then remove it. Cook very well until the raw smell goes to the betel leaf. Finally, it's cooked the pan mixture. Then make a round balls. If round balls is not getting to you, add little bit of milk. If not binding properly, then simple recipe everybody can do in their home with simple menu. Only 4 ingredients is enough. If you want to add ghee, you can add ghee also. It's looking very yummy taste. And final one, take the cherries, make it a fine chop. Green and red, nice combination. Take the cherries and again make it a round shape perfectly. garnish like this. Take one. Pan laddu, healthy recipe and easy to make everybody. I'm getting an aromatic bitter leaf flavor and coconut. If you want to add ghee, you can add ghee also. Nice recipe. Follow this and thanks for watching.